There are moments in science when silence speaks louder than any explosion. This is one of them. It wasn't a supernova, a black hole, or a distant galaxy that triggered attention, it was emptiness itself. The James Webb Space Telescope, orbiting nearly 1 million miles from Earth, was observing a patch of space previously considered empty, a blind spot between galaxies. But what it found shattered that assumption. In the quietest reaches of the cosmos, Webb detected a dark region that didn't reflect or emit light, it absorbed it. Then it moved. Slowly. Deliberately. As if aware of being watched. The observations left scientists stunned. This wasn't a star, a pulsar, or a black hole. This was something else. Something that reacts, perhaps something that remembers. During a deep survey near the Eridanus Supervoid, a vast, sparsely populated region of space, Webb recorded a perfect circle of absence. No light, no gravitational lensing, nothing obeyed normal physical laws. Imagine dropping ink into clear water and watching the water vanish. This was not just empty space. It was a region where conventional physics seemed suspended. Mass calculations didn't add up. No X-rays, no gravity distortions, only a cold, still void. Over several days, the edge of this anomaly began fluctuating, almost as if it were breathing. Further analysis revealed something even more unsettling. Flickers of light around the void followed a sequence of prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These weren't random. They were signals. Not radio waves, not gamma rays, but disruptions in spacetime itself. Webb's most sensitive instruments recorded microscopic shifts aligned with each pulse, suggesting deliberate influence on reality. Mathematicians and physicists concluded these were not natural phenomena but signs of intention. Follow-up observations 27 days later revealed the object had shifted, not moving through space like a comet, but blinking across the cosmic fabric. It appeared in a new position, just a fraction off from its original location. This implied motion unconstrained by light or time, reminiscent of quantum entanglement but at a macroscopic scale. Simulations showed the pattern of these shifts formed a spiral pointing toward Earth. Geometric structures around the anomaly stabilized into fractal, self-replicating forms, resembling neural pathways more than organs or bones. The patterns adapted in real time to Webb's orientation, as if aware it was being observed. Researchers dubbed this behavior responsive geometry. Some speculated the object could be a living construct, anchored to a point in space, waiting. An AI trained to analyze alien patterns froze when processing the data, ultimately returning a single word in its log: recognized. Weeks later, subtle radiation shifts in the surrounding space were observed, synchronized with the anomaly's pulses but slightly delayed, like echoes. Spectral analysis revealed harmonic layers arranged in nested intervals reminiscent of musical chords. These harmonics responded to Webb's movements, suggesting the anomaly was not just sending signals, it was listening. The embedded mathematical sequences revealed even deeper connections. Prime number intervals formed spirals resembling the double helix of DNA. The timing of pulses matched patterns in human genetic codons. This implied the object not only observed us but had knowledge of our biology. Soon, access to Webb's public data became restricted. Observatories experienced delayed streams. Scientists involved in the study withdrew from public life. International space agencies convened emergency meetings. The anomaly may not pose an immediate threat, but its origins and purpose remain unknown. Historical data from deep space probes suggested the object had previously evaded detection, either cloaked or absent until now. On the 48th day, the anomaly disappeared. No pulses, no distortions, just silence. Before vanishing, Webb captured a brief image, a symmetrical, angular structure, like a sigil floating in space. Eye analysis confirmed the pattern was deliberate, composed of nested triangles, circles, and lines forming a recursive design. Then it vanished. James Webb didn't just collect data. It captured evidence of something that may be aware, something that reacts to observation. It may be communicating or warning. One thing is certain. The telescope opened a door, and whatever lies beyond it could change our understanding of the universe and ourselves. The deeper we peer into the void, the more it seems to respond. And perhaps, for the first time, the void is staring.